Mom, is this yours? Because, you know. Yeah.
Somehow Santa left it in there.
Oh, Santa left it in there. Your rust, it's got the rust on it.
Like all this?
Look what I got, Khalil. I got gym shorts.
Uh-huh. And what else are in it?
That's
Brown shorts.
Santa left some more gifts over here. Let's eat them. Let's eat first, okay, buddy?
Then I got clothes.
Daddy.
Ooh, and headbands.
I want to play with this.
Those got Miss Shanae got. And I was just about to ask you, was this in the box that Miss Shanae is for you? Oh, I like these pants.
Do you?
Yeah.
Daddy.
I'm shocked.
I want to open my presents.
Okay.
This is cute.
Can we eat breakfast first?
If only my
Santa left you a
if only my
letter,
school didn't
Khalil.
have to wear uniforms.
This is mine.
What
He
did
left you a
Santa
note.
say? Look what. Let's read what Santa said. What did he say?
I
What does
give
that say?
you a book, a coloring book.
And what else did Santa say?
He says, "You're welcome."
Oh. Khalil, Santa gave you a few gifts for being such a good boy. Very close.
When
More presents.
was he a good